Good morning, students. We shall again continue some of the examples in the harmonic analysis with respect to the Fourier series Fourier series. And the question will be obtain the Fourier series of y up to the second harmonics for the given data. The data is shown here in the table. And the interval of x is between 0 to 2 pi. How it is 0 to 2 pi? Because in the value of x there is no 0 but 360 is given. In geometrically, when the circle will be completed, it will be when it is coincided with both 0 and 360, then only the circle will be completed. Therefore, here we are not considering the 0. Instead of that, it started from the 45. At the each interval of 45 degree, it will end up with 360. Hence, therefore, the value of x is between 0 to 2 pi. And the period of y is equal to f of x is 2 pi. How it is 2 pi? End point minus initial point. Then we have to compute a0, a1, b1, a2 and b2. Okay, because it is the second harmonic. Next, a0 is 2 upon n summation y. a1 is 2 upon n summation y cos x. There is a a1, it will be y cos x. b1 2 upon n y summation y sin x. a2 2 upon n summation y cos 2x. Observe here. b2 2 upon n summation y sin 2x. Here n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8 means the values of x shown in the table, and 2 upon n equal to 1 upon 4. Now we shall construct the table according to given. Yes, the table is shown here according to the values of given. Yes, the table is shown here, and the first line, the titles are given taken from a0, a1, b1, a2, b2. While writing the formula, so take the care that cos is always related with a1, a2, refer here. Sin is always related with b, b1, b2. Therefore, from the table, x is in terms of degree. While calculating from your calculator, take the care that the values of x shall be taken in terms of degree mode. Do the calculation correctly and neatly without going with any modification or mistake. Therefore, summation x degree y, these are taken from the table. Cos x, y cos x, sin x, y sin x, cos 2x, y cos 2x, sin 2x and y sin 2x. The table is shown here. Do not take the table directly. Do not even by heart it also. Using your own calculator, do the calculation correctly and neatly. Take the care that again the values of x are taken in terms of degree mode. Okay. Therefore, take the respect to summation. And again, these summation are related with the formula given here. I am not taking the entire summation. Okay. Therefore, this term is what? 16.9. Then here 5.57 summation of y cos x, summation of y sin x is 7.4, summation of y cos 2x is 1.6, at the end summation of y sin 2x is minus 2.7, and putting the values of y, summation y cos x, y sin x, y cos 2x, y sin 2x in this above formula, it is again rewriting the formula with the relevant numerical values correctly and neatly, and do the calculation. The Fourier series of y up to second harmonics is y is equal to a0 by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x plus a2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x, because it is the second harmonic. Take the care why it is, then henceforth it is second harmonic. Putting the values of a0, a1, b1, a2, b2, this is the formula which is necessary to go with the practical harmonic analysis. Now, my dear students, you can put one question here. Sorry, we have done so much integration, calculus, whatever it may be, while doing the Fourier series. Then again, why we are doing this numerical analysis? My dear students, keep in your mind that at the end what you are doing while doing the Fourier series, you are taking summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. Whatever it may be, summation of either a1 or b1, a2, b2, whatever it may be, an or bn, not a1, b1, an or b1, bn, you are taking summation between n is equal to 1 to infinity. Now the question is here, what happens when the particular value, either n equal to 1 or 2? For that purpose, we are taking the practical analysis from this table. This is one of the best application of the practical harmonic analysis for our Fourier series example. Thank you.